this one better, don't you?
It's cheaper as well.
You got this one as well. That one's 25,
Yes.
23. No, oh, that's 50. Oh, right. 100% water. So this, yeah, this is.
Why don't you just get
This
this?
should be more water resistant. I mean, that's £9 per square metre, except wet room. That's
Not seen it that way.
well, you seen the property, didn't you, before? Did you see it before stripper?
You still do know what yellow paint on.
It still smells of
Disgusting,
bags.
innit?
Yeah.
You can, can't you? So guys, first sneak peek at the kitchen, designed by Howdens, the Woolerton flats. Not too bad. Pretty much what I want, because obviously it's only small flat. So, very nice. Yeah, very nice. And I'm thinking this breakfast bar area here, we don't have to keep it, that could go, that's an optional extra, because obviously, as I said, we're wanting to keep costs down as much as possible. Black sink as per what I want requested. I think maybe I'm going to go for maybe a kind of brushed grey worktop rather than having it in this sort of pine kind of colour, this light wood effect. But yeah, overall, really pleased with that. Right, so second attempt, I've sent a couple of changes off to the kitchen designer just to redo, and basically the main thing was just for this worktop area to be like a nice brushed kind of light grey, which I love. Obviously ignore that, she's made a little bit of an error, that needs to go all the way to the end of the worktop. Easily fixed, and the floor, obviously not going to be this colour, I think I'm going to go for like an ash grey wood effect in there. Yeah, that is looking more like it. Very nice, very nice. Ooh. Yeah, that's more like what we want. That is, yeah, lovely. And as well, guys, forgot to mention, what I wanted was this drawer pack to be switched over, because actually in here is where the gas meter is. The boiler's getting housed in here, and then the gas meter's in here. So that's all going to stay. I'm not messing about with that at all. So on the other drawing, we have the drawer pack here. So obviously I've told her that's where the gas meter is. We need to consider that. So can we change over to the other side? And I didn't even realise that we've got a much smaller drawer pack, and they're able to do that. So it's not a 600 drawer pack. This will be what, maybe 400, 500 probably drawer pack. So yeah. That's much better. It's not ideal, but we've got a small kitchen, so we've got to make the most of it. But yeah, overall, very happy with the changes. Yeah, 400 drawer pack. So again, I've got to the end of the video and realise I've not filmed a proper outro, so I just want to take the moment to say thank you so much for watching, thank you for all your support. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also watch this video next where you can see the whole entire strip out process of the flat. Any questions, just pop them down in the comments and let's get a conversation started down below. Thanks, bye.